Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Wednesday and Friday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, subscribe, hit notification bell and let's enjoy bags together. I'm very excited today because today my first Dior unboxing. That's the very first item that I purchased from Dior. And secondly, because it's actually going to be unboxing. This beautiful item arrived today and I managed, I'm usually not like that, but this time I managed to keep myself intact and do not open that before filming. I think the reason for that, because it just happened that the item arrived today and I'm filming today. I think that's the only reason. If I was filming a few days later, I would probably wouldn't be able to pace myself, and 100% I would open that. This time, finally, that's different, and I'm going to unbox this beautiful Dior item, this beautiful first Dior piece in front of the camera. And after when I'm going to watch that, I'm going to know the actual reaction. What was my initial reaction to this, I hope, beautiful Dior item. And without further ado, let's move on to the actual unboxing. That's a pretty small item here, as you can see. I've already opened the actual box as it arrived with that delivery company, because I wasn't sure what is going to be in the box. I was expecting a few items of that size. As you can see inside, everything is still intact. And it's a beautiful Dior envelope there. Let's have a look what we have inside there. And inside, oh, that's a beautiful saying from Christian Dior. This is what it is. I hope you can see that on the camera there. And also a delivery slip there as well. That's really nice and beautiful. And this is what we have inside there as well. Let's unbox that. Oh my god, guys, it's super cute. I love this beautiful packaging. And I'm ready to destroy this beautiful bow. No. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's such a beautiful quality ribbon, guys. It feels so luxurious. Beautiful. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. Okay. More mystery there. What's going to be inside there? It's so satisfying. Here we go. Wow. Super cute there. And what we got there, as you can see, it's teeny weeny item there. Oh my god, guys, I can see that and I'm already loving it. Absolutely loving it. Oh, so beautiful. And that's the Dior Saddle Oblique Card Holder. Oh, guys, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. And this textile there, the canvas is just, oh, it feels so good, so beautiful. As you can see, there is quite a big label here, which if I remove, I wouldn't be able to return this item unless it's faulty. To be honest with you, I'm already 100% in love with this beautiful card holder, and I'm keeping that 100% unless I find the fold later on. But for just now, guys, from the very first observation, I can see that's the card holder in beautiful condition, how it's supposed to be, a brand new one. And I'm going to remove this. Oh, where's my scissors? Here we go. Ta-da! I'm keeping that. I love it. Absolutely love this beautiful Dior Saddle card holder. I've been eyeing for this card holder on the website for some time. And I'm like, should I get it? Should I not? Should I? And then finally I found out that Dior, like any other brands, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, are increasing their prices for most of their items in shops or online. All shops are closed in UK, and the moment that therefore I only had an online option, and I knew that they are going to increase their prices, I think from the 1st or the 2nd of February here in the UK. And I was like, should I? I wasn't sure if they were going to increase the price for this particular card holder. Anyway, on the very last day before the price increase, I pulled the trigger and I purchased this beautiful card holder. Due to the Brexit, it took quite a while to get it delivered here in the UK, and I was happy to find out a few days after I made the purchase that I actually bought it before the price pumped. And yes, it wasn't a big price increase. Before the price increase, it was £290. I'm going to leave here how much is in the dollars and euros. And after the price increase, it was £300. But you know, it's only £10. However, I felt when I found out that Dior actually increased the price for this beautiful piece, I felt like, oh my god, I got myself a bargain. Yes, it's a £10, and still for a card holder, $290, it's quite a lot. However, I felt like I totally got a bargain here. An absolutely beautiful piece, as I mentioned already a few times. It's a beautiful D emblem hanging down here. It's a saddle shape for the flap. It's a back pocket. You know I'm a sucker for a back pocket, 100% for the bag, or now for a card holder. I'm going to keep maybe some notes or not important cards in here. And inside we've got on the flap Christian Dior Paris, and I can see that my piece was made in Italy. And inside we have small pocket on the front, two small pockets on the back, and quite a large pocket in the middle as well. I know that Dior also has this style of card holder with the 5 compartments, and it's a kind of like a 5 gousset style, 5 accordion styles. However, I wanted a smaller piece. I don't need the quite a large one. That's why I'm absolutely fine with this one. And as I already know that card holder can hold up to 20 cards at the same time, I'm going to try it out with the 15 cards. So I've got a stack of 15 cards ready to go here. Here we go. Easily goes inside, as you can see, and we can still have some space in there for at least 5 cards. I would even probably stretch that to 22, 23 cards. So it's quite a spacious compartment over here. And with the 15 cards, I could easily stack a note there as well. Here we go. And it's all easy accessible. And it's not tight at all. And now we're going to close that. Here we go. Easy peasy, not a problem at all. I could also see that as a key holder if you're using just a few cards, if you need just a couple of cards, for example. Here we go. On the front, voila, and you can easily stack but also a keys inside. Very universal, very practical piece, as you can see. Beautiful. I know, guys, I've repeated a word, a beautiful, in relation of this card holder way too many times in this video. However, this is exactly how I feel regarding this. It's amazing, a beautiful card holder, and I absolutely love it. I'm not sure how it's going to behave in the wear and tear. Hopefully I would be able to give you some update in a 6 month or maybe a year, and I will see how the canvas, this beautiful oblique canvas, is going to behave with the wear and tear as well. I hope that everything is going to be all right. And that's me for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, this beautiful, my first Dior unboxing of this beautiful card holder. If you like that, please hit thumbs ups. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye!